So before this video, I had done a video pointing out, like my first video about the fires, that Pacific Palisades, which is the other fire, there's a large Jewish population over there. Now, this is a different fire, also in the Los Angeles area, the Eaton fire, but it destroyed this synagogue. It's called the Pasadena Jewish Temple and Center. So I feel like both those things together are a sign, a Jewish specific sign. We've already talked about it. I've added it to this spreadsheet called Signs, Jewish Specific. You can access my spreadsheets anytime. The link is in the description box of each video. Over here to